Hi, my name is Ashley Watt, and this is my reflection for MIT 805 over our second assignment. My group focused on collaboration, and my specific question was how to use technology to collaborate across curriculums. I am an agricultural education teacher currently, and because I'm not a core teacher, a lot of times in my work, I've had to find ways to have interdisciplinary units and things like that to show my kids that math is very valuable, reading's valuable, science, they're all involved in all of the stuff that I do and can give some real world examples. So because of that, I wanted to focus more on how technology could help that. Something that I learned is that collaboration helps everyone. I think that's probably something I knew, but I set out on my collaboration assignment here as how do teachers collaborate, but as I did research, it also, a lot of stuff came about that, it helps students to collaborate with each other, with teachers, and with different, across content areas. I used a little bit more how to use the Google tools. Took an opportunity to use Google Sites because I've seen several people use it, and it made such professional looking sites. I wanted to kind of focus on how easy or hard that would be. And my other group members also took the opportunity to look at some Google Sites, and they discovered stuff that I've never seen before too. So that's something that I will definitely take away. Takeaways. I actually just this week accepted a different job, and in my different job, I will be doing a lot of professional development for other teachers. And I think that as I researched and thought about allowing teachers time to collaborate with each other, it was just that they need time to do it. And I know that we're all stressed and stretched thin, so it was kind of nice thinking about this new position and moving forward that as I work with teachers to always take into account that we need to provide them time to do these things that we're expecting. In that, I want to be strategic in how I use technology. I had kind of described in some of my other discussions and posts that, the current district I'm at has an amazing technology team. We're always getting new things, but sometimes that can actually be a detriment. So moving forward, I know that I want to be very focused in my technology development. I want to choose something, focus on it, and become an expert in it before I move on or expect anybody else to move on to something new. Because I think it's hard to see all these really cool new tools and then that's for like an hour in a PD day. So I think moving forward, I want to make sure that in my new position, I'm helping teachers and students get time to develop and focus their technology uses.